Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something super exciting for you. Free courses from the top tech giants that not only boost your skills, but also come with a certificate. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Microsoft with their AI Engineer course. Learn to develop, program, and train AI networks to function like the human brain. By the end of this course, you'll be able to plan and manage an Azure AI solution, implement image and video processing, natural language processing, and more. Here's what you'll cover. Prepare for AI engineering, provision and manage Azure AI services, process and translate text and speech, create a language understanding solution, build question answering and custom text analytics solutions, create conversational AI and computer vision solutions, extract text from images and documents, implement knowledge mining and generative AI solutions. Check the link in the description to get started. Next, we have Intel's AI for Agriculture course. This course will show you how AI can address critical challenges in agriculture, from data collection and management to statistical data analysis, computer vision, and natural language processing. Plus, you'll learn about the ethical considerations in AI. The syllabus includes Introduction to AI for Agriculture, Problem Scoping for Agriculture, Working with Data for Agriculture, Modeling, Evaluation, and Deployment for Agriculture, Statistical Data in Agriculture, Computer Vision in Agriculture, Natural Language Processing in Agriculture, Project Development. Get your hands dirty in AI for Agriculture by clicking the link in the description. Third on our list is TCSION with their Accounting Fundamentals course. This course is perfect for anyone wanting to grasp the principles of accounting and the practical application of financial statements. Open to all, it covers Introduction to Accounting, accounting assumptions, principles, and concepts, overview of financial statements. Dive into the world of accounting with the link below. Fourth, we have Woodapple's Active Teaching Strategies. This quick 20-minute training program is designed to help teachers enhance student engagement and learning outcomes. You'll learn about Introduction to Active Teaching Strategies, Benefits of Active Teaching, Teaching Model. Incorporating active strategies, create a dynamic classroom environment by clicking the link in the description. Last but not least, we have the Foundation Communication Skills course by Cambridge. Enhance your everyday English language skills with this self-access course covering listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The syllabus includes General English Communication. Perfect for UG students, this course offers assessments to track your progress. Start your journey with the link below. That's it for today's video. Don't miss out on these incredible opportunities to learn from the best in the industry. All course links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.